in the heart of the temperate forest. As the golden light of dawn spills gently through the canopy, the ancient cycle of life begins anew. This woodland, alive with whispers and rustling leaves, is home to a delicate balance of creatures, each one playing a quiet but vital role in the ecosystem's eternal rhythm. Among these inhabitants, three stand out not for their dominance, but for the quiet beauty they bring to this world: the wise and watchful owl, the graceful and cautious deer, and the timid yet resilient rabbit. Each one has adapted over millennia to survive and thrive within this forest realm, and together, their stories tell of nature's elegance and complexity. High in the branches of an old oak, the owl begins her day, though for her, it's the end of a long night. With eyes sharper than any predator of the day, she glides silently on broad wings through the cool air, scanning the forest floor below for movement. Her presence is almost ghost-like, unseen and unheard, a master of the night. Owls are symbols of wisdom, but their brilliance lies not just in lore. Their acute hearing, capable of detecting even the faintest rustle beneath a blanket of snow, makes them formidable nocturnal hunters. She may have watched a rabbit dart through the undergrowth only hours ago, or seen the cautious movement of a deer pausing to drink at a stream. Both creatures, in their own way, are aware of the owl, though they may rarely see her. Down below, the forest awakens. A rabbit stirs within its burrow, nose twitching as it samples the scents of the morning. Ever alert, ever vulnerable, the rabbit is a creature of caution. It must be, for it sits near the bottom of the food chain, with large ears swiveling to detect sound from every direction and legs built for speed. The rabbit emerges briefly into a small clearing, nibbling on fresh green shoots. Its senses are always scanning, attuned to the faintest sign of danger. But this morning is calm, and for a few precious minutes, it knows peace. Not far off, in the deeper shade of tall trees, a deer steps lightly across a bed of leaves. She is a red deer, elegant and strong, her coat blending perfectly with the forest hues. She pauses, lifting her head to sniff the air, alert for predators. Her eyes are soft yet constantly aware, like the rabbit. She relies on vigilance for survival. The deer moves in silence, her steps careful and considered, each one a testament to centuries of evolution in a world where caution is life. In summer, she grazes on grasses and leaves. In winter, she forages for bark and fallen nuts. She may raise her fawn in this forest, teaching it where to hide, what sounds to fear, and how to live among the unseen threats. The deer is the embodiment of grace under pressure, a gentle creature whose strength is found not in fangs or claws, but in poise, speed, and silence. As the day unfolds, these three animals cross paths not directly, but through signs.